Dogs are like kids. They can get sick anywhere, and in order to keep them around as long as possible, it's important to know which diseases are prevalent in dogs, what symptoms to look for, and how to prevent your pup from contracting them. These 5 dog diseases affect pups of all ages and breeds in every state. Symptoms: runny eyes, fever, coughing, vomiting, paralysis. It hardens dog noses and foot pads. Is an extremely contagious viral disease that transmitted through airborne exposure or contact like shared food. If you think your dog has distemper, take her to the vet. The best way to prevent your dog from getting it is by vaccinating her and keeping her from sick pups. Symptoms: fever, lethargy, vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, weight loss. Parvo is another highly contagious virus that infects dogs that come in contact with the fecal matter of sick dog. And sadly, parvo is easy to spread but hard to kill once it attacks a dog's internal organ. The best way to keep your dog safe is by getting him vaccinated and keeping him away from all feces, especially infected feces. Symptoms: lethargy, coughing, respiratory problems, heart disease, weight loss. Heartworms are parasites that live in your dog's heart, blood vessels, and lungs. If he gets infected, heartworm is spread by mosquitoes. The easiest way to prevent her from contracting it is by taking preventive measures with annual blood tests and regular pills, topicals, or shots. Symptoms: fever, pain, hyperactivity, tingling, or burning at the wound. It is spread by bite or saliva from an infected animal and fatal once an animal gets it and starts showing symptoms. There is no treatment for dogs once they contract rabies and it is fatal. The best way to prevent it is getting her vaccinated and keeping her from rabid wildlife. Symptoms: fever, muscle tenderness, lethargy, dehydration, vomiting, jaundice. This disease is caused by contact either directly or through a sick dog with Leptospira bacteria, which can be found in soil and natural water like streams, lakes, or rivers. Although vets can treat leptospirosis by providing antibiotics and supportive care, it's easier to prevent by simply getting your dog vaccinated. If your dog ever comes in contact with the outside world, you should consider it.